Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, not much, but showing progress on these young here. They are grown substantially bigger. And here I have a bucket with the dirt from the pile in my backyard, which we know is really sandy and really dry. So I've dumped it in this bucket with water to moisten it. And here I have some 5, I think. Let's see what the bottom says. What does that bottom say? Got them at Lowe's. I think they were 5.5 gallon when I picked them up. But the mangoes are going to be put in their own pots and taken home. I also need to try passion fruit. I'm just going to put it in that big white bucket so the roots will have more room to spread. I think that's what's hindering its growth right now. What I've done is I've bought the bottoms for, and I am going to silicone them with Loctite. So I just pick everything up at once and I don't have to, worry about that falling off. Plus I can add water to the bottom like I like to do with those and just let it seep up from the bottom. So enough chit-chatting, let's get to work. So I'm going to start with a die grinder and just go around the edge on the inside. Use a surface for the silicone to adhere to. Flip the pot upside down on the bottom and on these ridges right here. Then put the saucer or the drain pan down. Flip your pot over. Try to centralize it. And push down. And that's it. I have all 3 set up with the silicone. One has been done for over an hour. I think it's that one out there. The other 2, but I'm gonna wait until it is now 12:15. I'm gonna give it until 2:15 before I add any kind of moisture to it to make sure there's great adhesion, and then I'll do the transplant. The silicone didn't work like I hope it did, so I put screws in it. So now to start adding dirt and stay green. You might not agree with the way I'm doing things, but there's a reason. All right, stay green at the bottom, help with drainage. And then a layer of that, and stay green, and a layer of that, and stay green, and a layer of that. Okay, you get the idea. The reason is when I do take them out of the pots and put them in the ground, they're already used to that soil. That is my whole reason behind it. Will it work? I don't know. We all scientists in some form. We're trying things out. All right. So let me go ahead and get the dirt over, get the trees put in. Alright, mangoes trees are potted. I haven't transplanted the passion fruit into a bigger pot. Let's see if it grows more. A little update. The hollyhocks are coming up. Lemon balm are doing lovely. The Mexican mint, they're just doing their thing. Not trying to rush them. I can't remember what I had here. There's only 2 of them. What do we have on this side? Let me swing this around. Oh, hyssop. I'm gonna put more seeds in and see if I can get them to grow, because that is a very good tea. Very good tea. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, potting the mango trees. And you guys, you watch the other videos, you see them being wrapped up. You see them springing from the mango seed itself. They're now potted. This is something I'm very passionate about, because I'm trying to recreate my backyard to the way it was when I was growing up for my kids, so they can experience it. I had cows, goats, pigs, you name it. Enough vegetables to fill 3/4 of an acre that we harvested every weekend to go sell in the market. So we're not selling it. Whatever I have, I give away to neighbors, friends, co-workers. But I just enjoy doing this. So if you like what is being shown here, please give me a thumbs up, please, and share the videos if you might, to friends and family who might enjoy this type of content. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you, and I'll catch you in another video.